Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I mean, we are definitely in a target zone that I have out here for a regular flat. We're also at the 38% Fibonacci retracement, but it really looks like this is like a 1, 2, 3, which means that we might actually make like a wave 4, maybe another push down to really take out these lows, grab some liquidity before we actually turn back up, if we really do even turn back up. There is definitely a chance that this does just keep on trending down, and the market is in a downtrend, and there's no reason yet to say the trend is over, so I would definitely still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where we had our Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. Last week I was saying if it broke structure to the upside on the 1 hour, then we would know that this whole series of lower lows, lower highs is over, starting way up here. More than likely, it would be like a wave 4, like I was showing on the daily time frame, but it also could end up being a trend reversal. We do not have that break of structure yet. The daily time frame gives us no reason to think that it needs to break structure, so we are definitely still looking for shorts unless we get this break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.